Today, I'm taking you on an exclusive tour of this stunning condominium complex. Welcome to the beautiful Bayview Condominium complex here in the village of Suttons Bay, where luxury meets convenience. I'm Sanders Scott with Living in Traverse City, Michigan area channel, and today I'm taking you on an exclusive tour of this stunning condominium complex. Whether you're looking for a serene place to call home or just a solid investment opportunity, Bayview Condos offers the best of both worlds. Located in the heart of Suttons Bay, Bayview Condominiums not only provides breathtaking views, but unparalleled access to local amenities and a vibrant community. Each unit is thoughtfully designed to offer comfort, style, and functionality. Let's take a closer look at what makes these condo units so special. But before we delve in too deep on this awesome condo complex, we do need to acknowledge that this condo development had a rocky start. The Great Recession played a role in these challenges, and the original developer actually declared bankruptcy, and the builder actually had some issues that could have and probably should have been foreseen and avoided. So I think the criticisms of Bayview Condominium Complex were sort of overblown. Each condominium unit is designed with spacious living areas, modern kitchens equipped with high-end appliances, and luxurious bathrooms. All this creates an inviting and comfortable living space. Each unit can be customized to suit your personal style and needs, ensuring your home is truly your own. Whether you prefer a sleek contemporary design or a more traditional cozy atmosphere, you'll find that each unit can be tailored to reflect your taste. This flexibility is a significant benefit for purchasers looking to create their dream home. Living at Bayview Condominiums also means you're just minutes away from some of the best amenities Suttons Bay, Leelanau County, and Traverse City have to offer. From beautiful parks to vibrant shopping centers and exquisite dining options, everything you need is right at your doorstep. This prime location enhances your quality of life and makes day-to-day living incredibly convenient. Suttons Bay, Leelanau County, and Traverse City are known for their rich cultural scene, vibrant community events, from wine tasting at local vineyards to attending seasonal festivals and art fairs. There's always something exciting happening. Living here means you'll have endless opportunities to explore and enjoy everything this amazing area has to offer. In summary, Bayview Condominiums in Suttons Bay are more than just a place to live. They are a lifestyle choice. With the protections and enhancements provided by the development, you can invest with confidence and look forward to a bright future in this exceptional community. And hey, don't let me forget about Chimoski Bakery right here in the Bayview Condominium Complex. They operate right here. If you like great coffee and great donuts, pastries, etc., you want to check out Chimoski Bakery for sure. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Bayview Condos. If you have any questions or would like to be among the first to know of any condos that may become available in Bayview, please don't hesitate to contact me directly. I can put you on a list so that you're always in the know anytime a unit may become available. And remember, if you want to be in the know about everything, all the goings on in the Traverse City, Michigan area, then subscribe to this channel and you will never miss out. Until the next video, we'll see you then.